Designed for a large family that had been coming to a nearby property for several years, X-House, which perched on the shores of Lake Superior, near the city of Marquette, Michigan, with two wings that intersect at an irregular angle, offering a variety of views of the surrounding forest and waterfront. One of the wings is for communal functions, while the other accommodates 3 bedrooms. The house is clad in blackened timber. The entrance is at the intersection of both volumes, and offers a glimpse of the expansive living area. The open-concept kitchen, living and dining area is wrapped with full-height glass panels on 3 sides. In keeping with their intention of providing a more contemporary setting for the home, the architects kept to a restrained palette of white, gray and black finishes. There are a terrace overlooking the lake and offering an outdoor lounge area that connects to the living room. Many of these material selections, such as stone accent walls and blackened wood, are used both within the home and outside, lending an impression of continuity with the natural environment. The primary bedroom features a secondary terrace, which occupies the end of the sleeping wing. Here's a look at the plan.